You need friends before you get a girlfriend, okay? This is very important for a few reasons. One reason is that if you ever break up, which is statistically likely, it's gonna sting extra hard because you're not gonna have a support network to help you get through it. Another reason is that if you are lonely, you have no friends, and then you meet a woman you're interested in, your loneliness is going to influence you, and you're going to jump on the opportunity for affection because you finally found someone you can connect with, someone you can talk to, even though maybe it's not the right person for you. And then another reason is that once you get into that relationship, you're likely to put everything on your partner. And she's going to become just like the person you just confide in and the person you do everything with, and that's not healthy. Apologies for that truck. And then another reason is that if you end up in a toxic relationship, a relationship that's not good for you, you need at least one honest friend to call you out on your bullshit. You need a friend who's just going to tell you that you're being stupid and that this relationship is bad for you. Now, of course, you're not going to listen to this advice if you have no friends and you've met someone. You're not going to go like, oh, well, I suppose I should first find some friends. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna pass. This time I will not be in a relationship. No, you're gonna enter in that relationship anyway. But if you haven't met anyone yet, then please work on finding some friends first. And if you have no friends and you found someone and you're gonna get with that person anyway, because of course you will, what else are you gonna do? I certainly would not have the self-control to not get into a relationship just because I have no friends. Hey, you fall in love, you fall in love. But if you do that, please put some effort into making friends right now, okay? Do not put everything on your relationship